If you're learning Hindi and web development, today's your lucky day. Let's crack the code behind HTML forms, explained in simple Hindi. An HTML form is like a digital notebook for websites. It's a space where users can enter information like your name, email, or even your secret pizza topping preference. Once you hit submit, your answers travel to the website's server, ready to be processed. Forms use input elements. Think text boxes, radio buttons, checkboxes, and buttons. Each input has a name, so the server knows which answer goes where. For example, let's say you see a Contact Us form. You type your details, hit submit, and the form sends this info behind the scenes to the website owner. So next time you enter details online, remember, it's all thanks to HTML forms. Want a quick demo? Just comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more web tips explained in Hindi.